Hello everyone. This topic OPD and role of a nurse in OPD department. OPD outpatient department. A hospital department where patient receive diagnosis and or the treatment but do not stay overnight. A hospital department where patient receive diagnosis and or treatment but do not stay overnight. Type of the patient: general outpatient, emergency outpatient, referred outpatient. First, general outpatient. All the patient other emergencies who report directly to the OPD. All the patient other emergency who repeat directly to the OPD. Emergency outpatient. A person give emergency medical care for the condition which is a real of or perceived emergency. This patient condition is an emergency. It emergency outpatient. General outpatient. It is a normal condition of general outpatient. Referred outpatient. A person referred to end the OPD. Why is the attending medical, dental, practitioner for specific diagnosis, treat, procedure. Referred outpatient. It is a patient, not condition is the overload and referred patient. Referred outpatient. Role of nurse in OPD. Role of nurse in the outpatient department. Direct care. Direct care. First point: assess needs, plan, implement and evaluate evidence based nursing care. Second point: provide health care advice through educating patient, carries and the families. Provide health care advice through educating patient, carries and families. Third point: ensure the smooth running of clients. Ensure the smooth running of clients. This point: carry out clinical nursing procedure. Carry out clinical nursing procedure of the nurse. This point: work collaborating with other member of the health and the social care them. This point: supervise other staff and the student. Supervise other staff and the student. This direct care. Last point: contribute the determination of good practice by the participating in the teaching and learning activities. Direct care. First, correcting education communication. Correcting education communication in the this is direct care. Role of a nurse of OPD outpatient department. The goal of the rehabilitation nursing. Goal of rehabilitation nursing into assist individual with a disability and or chronic illness to attend and the maintain maximum function. Teacher shared information about the disease process, underlining disabilities and the teachers. Nursing techniques to help client and their families develop the self care skills necessary to move toward wellness. This point: prepare clients and their families for future self management. Prepares the client and their families for the future self management in the teacher. This point: reinforce of the teaching done by the specialized in the rehabilitation and the other health care. Disciplines provides resource materials for clients, charging needs and provides ongoing patient education after discharge. Last point, provides in the service education for the healthcare. This patient provide services and education, healthcare and the personal care. Them number and the member of the community regarding prevention of disabilities. Provide patient in education, services and healthcare. Thank you guys.